Hi everybody. This is a little video about what exactly a Smart Health Certified Wellness Coach is and how we are different from other wellness coach programs. There are dozens and dozens, at least, different wellness coach programs out there, and they're all wonderful. They're all a little bit different. However, we are drastically different. And we're going to talk about how we're different today in this video. So first, let's look at what exactly is a wellness coach. A wellness coach, unlike a medical doctor or even a nutritionist or a registered dietitian, focuses on a holistic approach to wellness. So it's not just, what you're eating, or it's not just the products you're using. It's nutrition, spirituality, stress reduction, natural living concepts, relationships, and even career, because all of those things impact not only your physical wellness, but your mental wellness, your emotional wellness. So they really take into account your whole life and how each piece of it works together to make you happy and well. So why do people need a wellness coach? Why not just stick with going to your doctor, whenever you don't feel well? So it's estimated that approximately 70% of disease and health conditions are preventable. Simple steps to change your diet and lifestyle can drastically change your health. And a wellness coach really helps you navigate through all of those little steps that you can take and make sense of it. They help you avoid expensive drugs and doctor's visits. Going to the doctor and relying on pharmaceuticals not only becomes a lifelong struggle, but it can get extremely expensive. I think a lot of people can relate to that. Insurance these days does not cover a lot of what people are using in terms of pharmaceuticals and even doctor's visits. So it can get very expensive if you have to constantly rely on those things just to be healthy or feel well. So what makes a Smart Health Wellness Coach different in the industry? So there's a lot of things that make us different. Probably the number one concept is we utilize bioenergetics to help people get well and stay well. What is bioenergetics? Bioenergetics is basically how the body, more specifically cells and DNA, utilizes energy to communicate and function, right? So every time a cell is communicating with another cell, or even your brain is telling your hand to reach for something, that's energy. That's how it communicates. We work towards changing genetic expression, also known as epigenetics. What does that mean? So you have your DNA. Just because you have specific genes doesn't mean that they are expressing, or that doesn't mean that that specific gene is your destiny, right? So just because you may carry a specific gene for a specific disease or a specific cancer doesn't mean you're 100% going to get that disease or cancer, or even have an issue with a particular food. That all depends on your epigenetics, or your genetic expression, whether your body is going to actually express that gene. And that's where we come in, and also diet somewhat, but we actually help your body either express favorable genes or not express unfavorable genes. So it's often, equated to having a light switch. Either the light switch is on or the light switch is off. We help your body turn on, quote unquote, good genes and turn off, quote unquote, bad genes, just for overall better function. We're focused on healing and prevention. So we really want to help people completely avoid particular issues, whether those be diseases in the future, resolve current health conditions that are that we do have the ability to resolve. Any kind of food sensitivities or allergies. Nowadays, almost everybody has some kind of a sensitivity or allergy to at least one, if not multiple foods. Sensitivities to certain chemicals that are just around your home or your workplace. Environmental allergies to certain plants, animals. We really pinpoint specific genes and genetic mutations to just help your body function better. We utilize energy pathways to communicate with the body. So again, there's certain energy pathways that energy travels through your body to communicate. And if that energy pathway happens to be blocked or congested or just not functioning properly, then your whole body will not function properly. That's based on some concepts from traditional Chinese medicine, tapping, massage, homeopathy. You can, if you're not familiar with those kind of concepts, you can Google them. So, how does a bioenergetics wellness coach help people? As a bioenergetics wellness coach, you will learn how to support immune health by determining what the immune system is struggling with in that moment, whether it be a bacteria, a virus, a fungus, or a parasite. You will learn how to accomplish focused healing. So every session you would have with a client as a bioenergetics wellness coach would focus on a particular issue, whatever their body is really struggling with that day. You will learn how to uncover and resolve hidden sensitivities and allergies, whether that be to foods, chemicals, environmental, like plants and animals, or even hormonal imbalances. You will learn how to clear specific energetic pathways that are blocked, congested, or just not functioning properly. Each bodily function utilizes a specific energy pathway. You will learn how to change genetic expression. And you will also learn how to utilize the show method, which I will speak about in a moment, as the primary analysis and treatment of your clients, which will complement proper nutrition and a healthy lifestyle. So what is the show method? The show method is the technique that is unique to a bioenergetics wellness coach. It was developed by the creator of this program, Dr. Bernard Straley. In developing the show method, Dr. Straley was influenced by NAET, N-A-E-T, which is a technique that was developed to naturally and energetically eliminate allergies. It combines, like I said, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, tapping, and quantum energy medicine to really communicate with the body energetically to find underlying issues that are causing various symptoms and to resolve them. It helps identify certain genetic mutations and SNPs, which are basically, hiccups in the genetic expression, and to fix those and change genetic expression for better function genetically and just overall health. So here's the details of the certification. It's a 2-day certification. It is under $500 to get certified. Anyone can get certified. You don't have to have any prior knowledge in the healthcare field. You just have to have a desire to want to help people. It does, there are some healthcare providers that this may complement. Naturopathy, homeopathy, massage, NAET practitioners, like I mentioned, chiropractors, Reiki practitioners, anybody really in the alternative healthcare field would also benefit from this knowledge. But again, you don't have to be any of those things or have any prior healthcare experience in those areas. There's also an optional software program that you can purchase that greatly optimizes the effectiveness of using the show method as a smart health wellness coach. Again, not required, but it does streamline the process and really help dig deep and find those issues that people need to work on. So basically, we utilize a proprietary technique that utilizes energy as a way to communicate with the body and resolve a plethora of issues, all the way from genetic expression and genetic health to food sensitivities, food allergies, and also immune health. So we are extremely unique, and we are extremely effective in really helping people resolve health issues and get out of the the vicious cycle of never getting well. So if you are interested in more information on becoming a certified smart health wellness coach, please visit our website at smarthealth4u, the number 4, the letter u.org. And you can click on Become a Wellness Coach in the menu and learn all about it, and also learn when the next certification is and where it will be. You can also, please feel free to contact us on our website, or you can email us. All of our contact information is on the website. Again, that's smarthealth4u.org, and more information about the Wellness Coach program is under Become a Wellness Coach option on the menu at the top, or the direct link to that page is on this slide. So we look forward to hearing from you with any questions or comments. So have a great day, and thank you so much for joining us. Have a blessed day. Bye.